What if I told you that your phone isn't just stealing your time? It's literally rewiring your brain to destroy your ability to think deeply. And what if the reason you can't focus anymore isn't your fault, but it is your problem? Sounds scary, right? But here's the truth. Do you find it difficult to focus on anything these days? You can't even do one task for 10 minutes without picking up your phone. There's a name for this: popcorn brain. Listen to what this is. Popcorn brain means your mind jumps around just like popcorn pops, from one thing to another, then to a third, never able to stay still at one place. And the reason is in your hand, your phone. How did this happen? When you scroll on Instagram, every 10 seconds something new appears. A reel, a joke, a news clip, a fight, a dance, a sad video. Your brain takes a fresh dopamine hit every 10 seconds, and you do this for hours daily for years. Gradually, your brain gets addicted to this speed. It needs something new every 10 seconds. And when you sit down to do real work, like reading, thinking, or having a conversation that requires your mind to stay put, your brain gets bored. It says, "Man, this is slow. Give me a new hit." And you pick up your phone again. And here's the most dangerous part. It's not just taking your focus. It's taking your quality of life too. Because all the good things in life are slow. A good book is slow. A deep conversation is slow. Playing with your child is slow. Learning something new is slow. Understanding yourself is slow. And when your brain can't even tolerate slow things, you get cut off from all the deep, meaningful things in life. All you're left with is speed and noise. So how to fix it? Pay attention to 3 things. First, don't touch your phone for the first hour after waking up. Your brain is freshest in the morning. If you start scrolling as soon as you wake up, you put your brain into popcorn mode right at the start of the day. Keep the first hour phone free. Second, do one task during the day with 0 distractions. Put your phone in another room. Just 30 minutes, one single thing. It will feel difficult at first. Your mind will wander. But this is an exercise. Just like muscle, focus also returns with practice. Third, let boredom come back. In the elevator, in the line, in the washroom, don't take out your phone. Let your mind stay empty. These are the moments when the brain resets, thinks, recovers. Boredom isn't a disease. Boredom is a workout for the brain. Listen, your brain hasn't been ruined. It's just been trained the wrong way. And what has been trained can be retrained. Your focus can come back. But for that, you have to take your brain back from your phone. One last thing, these apps weren't made like this by accident. They were designed exactly so that you can't stop. You scrolling continuously is their business. So, this is not your weakness. It's their design. But the power to break free, that's still yours.